Are you looking for natural ways to burn fat while healing your body? Science tells us that certain foods not only help in fat metabolism, but also support cellular repair, reduce inflammation, and enhance overall health. In this video, we will explore 6 scientifically proven foods that help burn fat and heal your body. Stick around till the end for some bonus tips on how to maximize their effects. Let's dive in. 1. Green tea, nature's fat-burning elixir. If there's one drink that packs a punch for weight loss, it's green tea. This powerhouse beverage contains epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, an antioxidant that revs up your metabolism and helps your body burn stored fat more efficiently. Plus, with a little dose of caffeine, green tea gives you a natural energy boost while enhancing fat breakdown. Studies show that drinking green tea daily can increase calorie burning by up to 4% and boost fat oxidation by as much as 17%. That means you're torching extra calories even when you're just chilling. Beyond weight loss, green tea is also loaded with antioxidants that support liver function, reduce inflammation, and improve brain health. Want to get the most out of it? Aim for 2 to 3 cups a day, especially before workouts to maximize fat burn. Stick to high-quality, organic green tea for the best results. 2. Avocados, the ultimate healthy fat superfood. Avocados aren't just delicious. They're one of the best foods for melting away stubborn belly fat. These creamy green gems are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, MUFA, which help burn fat, control cravings, and balance blood sugar levels. Unlike bad fats that contribute to weight gain, the oleic acid in avocados actually encourages your body to burn fat as energy. Plus, with 14 grams of fiber per avocado, they keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing unnecessary snacking. A study published in Nutrients found that avocado lovers tend to have less belly fat and a lower BMI than those who skip them. They're also loaded with potassium and magnesium, which help reduce bloating and support muscle function. The best part? They're incredibly versatile. Enjoy them in salads, smoothies, or as a delicious toast topping your body will thank you. 3. Chili peppers, the spicy secret to burning fat. Love spicy food? Great news, it might be helping you burn fat. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a natural compound that heats up your body, boosting calorie burn and fat loss. Think of it like turning up your internal thermostat. Your body burns more energy just to cool itself down. Research shows that capsaicin can increase fat oxidation by 16% and naturally curb your appetite, leading to lower calorie intake throughout the day. On top of that, capsaicin also helps regulate hunger hormones, making you feel fuller for longer. But the benefits don't stop there. Chili peppers improve blood circulation, aid digestion, and reduce inflammation. Want to incorporate more into your meals? Sprinkle chili flakes on your food, add fresh peppers to stir-fries, or spice up your soups with a dash of hot sauce. Just be mindful of portion sizes if you have a sensitive stomach. 4. Greek yogurt, the protein-packed fat fighter. Greek yogurt isn't just a breakfast staple, it's a powerhouse for fat loss, gut health, and muscle maintenance. Packed with high-quality protein, it keeps you full longer, reduces cravings, and helps maintain lean muscle, which is essential for burning more calories throughout the day. Thanks to its probiotics, Greek yogurt also supports a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a major role in digestion and metabolism. Research shows that people who include high-protein dairy like Greek yogurt in their diet lose significantly more belly fat than those who don't. It's also rich in conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, a fatty acid known to help reduce body fat while preserving muscle mass. To reap the benefits, go for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add natural toppings like berries, nuts, or honey for extra flavor and nutrients, without the unnecessary sugar. 5. Wild salmon, the omega-3 fat burner. If you're looking for a food that helps you burn fat while also boosting overall health, wild salmon is your best bet. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. Salmon helps reduce inflammation, regulate insulin levels, and improve fat metabolism, all of which make it easier for your body to shed excess weight. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming omega-3 rich foods increases fat burning and helps trim down your waistline over time. But that's not all. Salmon is also packed with high-quality protein, which keeps you full and supports lean muscle growth, ensuring that more of the weight you lose comes from fat rather than muscle. Bonus points for astaxanthin, an antioxidant found in salmon that promotes skin health and protects against aging. To maximize benefits, enjoy wild-caught salmon 2 to 3 times a week, either grilled, baked, or pan-seared with healthy seasonings like garlic and lemon. 6. Dark chocolate. The sweet treat that burns fat. Yes, chocolate can actually help you lose weight, but only if it's the right kind. Dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher, is loaded with powerful antioxidants like flavonoids and theobromine, which help improve metabolism, reduce stress hormones, and control sugar cravings. One major reason people struggle with weight loss is cortisol, the stress hormone that encourages fat storage, especially around the belly. Dark chocolate helps lower cortisol levels, preventing emotional eating and unnecessary fat gain. It also enhances insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to process carbohydrates without storing them as fat. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that regular consumption of dark chocolate can boost metabolism and improve overall heart health. For best results, stick to one small piece, about 1 ounce, per day, and pair it with nuts or berries for extra fiber and antioxidants. Bonus tips. Maximize fat loss. Let's start with hydration. Drink enough water to boost metabolism. Next is exercise. Combine strength training with HIIT for maximum fat burning. Sleep. Lack of sleep leads to increased cravings and fat storage. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Intermittent fasting. Eating within a 6 to 8 hour window can accelerate fat loss. Now you know the 6 powerful fat-burning and healing foods. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future science-backed health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong, and see you in the next video.